In today's video, we are shopping at the Dollar Tree to see what's in for spring and Easter. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. Welcome back, and if you are new here, my name is Brittany and I do home and lifestyle here on this channel. That includes shop with me's for home decor, hauls, and homemaking videos. So if you're interested in that sort of content, you can hit the subscribe button below, and let's get into today's video. I loved to see everything that Dollar Tree had in for spring and Easter. They also had a lot of St. Patrick's Day decor, a lot of Valentine's decor. So if you're looking for everything at the lowest prices, definitely check out Dollar Tree in combination with some other places that have dollar spot areas. But Dollar Tree really had a lot, and it wasn't even all out. They had so many boxes that they had to stock stuff that they were preparing for. So definitely this is just like their preliminary decor, but they had so much of it. As stated, they have so much in for Easter baskets. They have everything you need, from the Easter basket to all of the candy that you would find in Easter baskets. They have all of the crafts that you can make to put in your Easter baskets. They had so many cute different types of eggs. They had little carrot-shaped eggs. I mean, just it was so much cute stuff that I'll definitely be going back here to get everything for my son's school for Easter when we get ready to make all of the different Easter eggs for their Easter egg hunt that they do at school, and also his Easter basket. They also had a lot of nice things for home decor. So for decorating your front porch, inside of your home, they had a lot of options. I absolutely loved this hop on in welcome sign for your front porch. It was so cute. It had buffalo check on the egg, and they had another farmhouse option. So lots of different things that were really cute. I saw these carrot stands at home, and I think they were a little bit more expensive for like the same type. They had different wreaths that you could use. I like the ones especially that were shaped like a bunny, but that you could make yourself and put your own decor on them. I am definitely thinking about picking one of those up and just making my own with my own florals. But the fact that you could pick up a wreath for $5, I mean, this is a great price, and you just stick your own flowers on there and it would be so beautiful. I, for one, would just do the outline, but they make it so that you can do the inside. It's so cute. Another thing that I really loved is these little bunny men. Their legs were like on these wires, and so it was pretty sturdy and they would stand on their own. So getting one of these, I especially love the little girl in this cute little skirt. I actually love the guy too in his olive green. But you can pick them up and like place them on a stand, and these blue stools that they sell there are like the perfect height to do something cute like that on your front porch. You can put carrots and decorate with eggs and different things like that. So a lot of cute options there. They had these nice blush totes. I especially love the blush color. They were a pretty good size. And I also wanted to point out they have these same hangers that I showed you guys recently in the Home Goods Spring Easter Shop With Me. These were a little bit less than the $25 that they have at Home Goods, but they were only $5 versus $10 that they are at Home Goods. And of course, they have all the decoration items that you need to make your Easter baskets and your Easter eggs. So definitely check out Dollar Tree. Of course, they have the best prices for this kind of stuff, so you're not going to beat it. They even had a lot of your cutlery and things like that and all of the spring colors. And of course, as I said, they had boxes and boxes of stuff specifically for Easter. These boxes have bunny ears on them, so I know it's all Easter decor. They hadn't even unpacked it yet, so this is just the early stages of what's to come. So definitely get there early so you can get everything you want before it's all picked over, because you know everyone's going to Dollar Tree. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it useful and helpful to see what's in store for spring and Easter at the Dollar Tree. If you did enjoy this video, give it a big thumbs up. That does help my channel. And if you like content like this, you can hit the subscribe button below. You can also hit the bell notification if you would like to be notified on Mondays, Fridays, and Sundays when I upload. On Mondays, I do Shop With Me's at all my favorite home decor stores. And on Fridays, I take you back to Target every week to see what's new in home decor. And on Sundays, I bring you home and lifestyle content. Lately, I've been doing it more on a bi-weekly type basis, and I'm probably going to keep that schedule because I actually do really enjoy that. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in another one, maybe somewhere on your screen. But until then, be your own kind of beautiful.